Amazon, girl. If you're looking for a freaking heart transplant and you need an extra heart, they probably got that shit on Amazon, straight up. Okay, straight up. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle, all that. Hey guys, so I'm bringing you another hair video. This video is actually going to be like a demo slash review of some new edge control that I picked up, and I just wanted to review it, use it on camera. We can see how it hold up. I'll even do like a wear test. Putting on edge control after about an hour or two, I know whether or not it's going to last. So I am going to do a wear test for you guys, and let's just introduce the edge control that I'm going to be reviewing. So this edge control that I got from Ulta, I actually was interested in this edge control, and then I saw a video from someone that I'm subscribed to. Her name is, I think it's Chantel Monet. I can't think of her. I think it's Chantel Monet. But I saw her use, and I was like, I'm going to go ahead and just try it, because when I saw that Tracee Ellis was coming out with edge control and basically a hairline, but the edge control specifically, I was like, does she need the same control as me? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm trying to say. Her hair is curled, but it's definitely curled a little different than mine would be naturally. So, you know, I was a little judgy. I was judging. So I thought, why not buy it, try it, see how it holds up. And this is it here in the container. The name of it is called, is it focusing for you? The name of it is called Pattern. Okay, so it's Pattern Edge Control, and on the front it says swoop and stay as you lay. Okay, and this is kind of like how jam is. You know how you tap a jar of jam, you feel it kind of vibrate inside because of the texture. But it comes with this lid here. Just pop that off. Smells really good. It smells really good. So we're gonna get into it. I am going to try it on camera for you guys, and then I'll do like a wear test. So I'll have it on for like an hour or two and then come back and let you guys know how it goes. So I'm gonna put the edge control on, and then I'm gonna kind of like tie my edges down. You know how we do. And I'm gonna throw some curls in my hair, some waves rather, some quick wand waves, just to complete the look, and you know, give it an overall chance, like a full view of what the edge control is like with your hair totally done. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I didn't do anything to my hair because I know it's gonna do this video, although my hair probably still looks great, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair out a bit before we put the edge control on, because I am gonna throw some waves in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and all right, so I pulled it in a little closer so you guys can get a view of my edges really good while I'm doing it. And this gloss though, my gloss is listen, my business that I told you guys about, Sugar Scoop, is going to be launching very soon. There are some hiccups and some delays waiting on certain shipments to come in as far as packaging goes, but real soon we pop in. This is one of my lip glazes, which are mainly clear glosses, and they have sparkles in it. This one has really gold shimmers in it, and it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Ooh, but my lips look glazed. This one is called Honey Glaze. I don't know if I said that, but this one is called Honey Glaze. So be on the lookout. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my edges now. Don't judge my little edge brush because it's real cakey and it has all kind of shit stuck in it, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna grab some here. Let me just show you the texture of it. I just stuck my brush in it, but so this is like the texture of it. It has this yellow color here. So let's go ahead and get it in. Just put some on my arm here. And then kind of like, oops, brush it back. So it is slicking my hair down. Plus, this says it's an extra hold, so I'm gonna see. It doesn't feel as thick as some edge controls that I'm used to that does really hold my edges down, so we don't see. Is this thing baby hair proof? We're gonna see. So far, so good. I should put some directly on my edges and then brush it. It's definitely a little thinner than I'm used to though. So I'm kind of like right now in this moment, I'm kind of doubting it, but you know, we'll see. I like the way it smells. So it has a clean, freshly washed hair smell. I like that. Okay, let's put down this hair a little bit. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It doesn't feel that, you know? I don't feel that feeling that I normally feel with my other edge control, which I'll show you guys that one later in the video. But we'll see. I don't really do a lot when it comes to my edges. I just want it to look controlled, really, and maintained. Now, my hair is not really completely natural. Like I would say 5 to 6 months, I do put a little bit of relaxer on my edges so it can kind of lay down. The rest of my hair is natural, so I don't know what you call that. My hair isn't natural, put it like that. But there are people out there that have very natural hair, and because this is advertised for curly, tightly coiled hair, you're going to expect it to lay it down. So me laying my edges down may be a lot easier than someone that does not have a relaxer at all, depending on your hair type. So me right now, I'm kind of feeling like this is not going to do it. It's kind of feeling greasy for me. And when it feels greasy right off the bat, a lot of times the edges don't hold or they don't stay down. Like you go out in the sun, a little humidity, and it's kind of over. But let me go ahead and set it. You know how we do our little scarf? Let me grab my scarf and I'm going to set it. But right now it's giving me greasy. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my edges down with my old throwback Louis scarf, the fake one. I probably brought. That someone was selling out of their trunk. I don't know. I don't even remember. But I've had it for so many years. I was like a child when I had this. Literally in high school. I've been out of high school for a long time. Okay? But whatever. Like this thing lays my edges down and I feel like this is the only reason I even have edges. So I'm going to keep using it. Okay? So the rusty, dusty, crusty Louis scarf is on and in place. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of throw some waves in my hair. And while we curl our hair, the edge control can set and I can give it a real chance. But I'm feeling kind of like, I don't know. But let's go ahead and get into the curl. I'm going to do some wand curls, some wand loose waves. So I'm just going to throw some quick waves in my hair with this wand curler. So while we wait for the hair or the edges to set, I'll be doing something. That's cute. So I'm going to more than likely speed through this part. finishing up the curls. I'm just looking for little pieces that may have gotten missed and just grabbing the wand and curling it a bit. So as you can see, this is like a messy sort of look. If you want a full tutorial on wand curls, like a real tutorial, I actually have one. I'll link it below so you guys can check that out. My hair was black in that video, and I'm certainly missing black hair, by the way, so you won't be seeing this red much longer because it's cute. It's cute, but now I'm tired of it, okay? It looks cute with my nails though. This is Raspberry Filling, one of my press-on nails that are going to be coming out when I do launch. I do want the launch to be in November, guys, but I don't know. It may be like the beginning of December. It just depends on when the items that I'm waiting on actually are delivered, okay? But these are, again, Raspberry Filling. So cute. So cute. I've had this on for about 4 or 5 days now, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and take the scarf off so I can really see what's going on, and fingers crossed that this edge control did something. All right, so I took the scarf off, and my edges are laid down for the most part. It's really soft right now. It doesn't feel, I don't know. I don't feel that lay while what the thing says. What is that on the front of this? It says swoop and stay as you lay. Okay. So it's held down, but I already know this is in an hour. This is gonna be up because right now it's not what I'm used to. You see how it started cracking here because the hold isn't that strong. It doesn't smooth it out like the way that I like. Okay, it looks decent though, for sure. It looks decent, but I'm comparing it to the edge controls that I know really get it done. And it gets it done without me having to tie my hair up. So that's key, but it's laid down and it's a soft hold. This will be great. It just depends on the texture of your hair. If you are completely natural with tightly coiled hair, you're probably not gonna like this because it is a little bit greasy, and it's probably not gonna hold your edges down the way you want it to. The way it claims to hold it down. So it kind of depends on your hair type. If you have like a looser curl, maybe a little bit more manageable hair, then you would be fine with this edge control. Hair similar to Tracee Ellis Ross's, okay? If your hair is like that, you may love this. If your hair is very like coarse and again tightly coiled, you're gonna be like, girl, please buy. Ooh, it's a no-go. Now, I do have recommendations for those hair types, okay? Of course I do. Now, the first one I'm going to recommend is the 24-hour edge tamer, the Extra Mega Hold by Eben, New York. This is the bomb. You can probably find this on Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. You can find anything on Amazon, girl. If you're looking for a freaking heart transplant and you need an extra heart, they probably got that shit on Amazon, straight up. Okay, straight up. But this is a really, you can even do a slick ponytail with this and your hair is laid. I absolutely love this. Let me open it so you guys can see. I've been killing this. Look at this. Look at this. I killed this and it smells so good. It's a nice fruity smell. And also this one, it is the She Is Bomb collection. I'm going to try to link all these below. So I would highly recommend this over the pattern one. You know, I wanted to love the pattern one, but I had my doubts, and my doubts so far have been right. They have been right. They have been right, okay? I look decent. Don't get me wrong. I look decent, okay? But this review is all about the hold, the texture, and how my hair feels. Now, it cracks a bit here because it wasn't really smoothing it out because it's not that, it doesn't have that, I don't know what to call it. It don't have that. It does not have that, so it cracked a bit while it was even tied down. This part is laid, it's a soft hold. Like if I go like this, it's messed up. You know what I mean? So there's no mega hold in this to me. And it looks as good as it looks now, probably because I relaxed my edges about 2 months ago. Had my hair been completely natural, girl, my hair would have been like, what you doing? We'll want that. Alright, so give me like an hour or two and I will be back with an update. So take note of what I look like right now. not look decent. She'll look cracky, but it still looks, again, it still looks decent. Do not get me wrong. Do not get me wrong, okay? It still looks decent. But we'll see what she looks like when I come back, okay? All right, we'll see. Hey guys, I'm back. It's probably been about 2.5 hours or so. And my hair still looks good. It looks exactly the same, I guess, as I left it. It's just that the product has dried up a bit. My hair kind of just soaked up the product, I guess, but it's still in place. It's just soft, see? It doesn't really look like I put anything on it. And it kind of depends on the person, really. It depends on the texture of your hair, like I kept saying. My edges have relaxer on it, so it lays nice that way. But if you are completely natural and you need something to slick your hair back, if you're going to do a ponytail, you're not going to like this. Definitely not to do like a ponytail, because it's going to be very greasy and I don't think you're going to like it. But if you have relaxed hair or sort of loose curls in your hair, you can put a little bit of it just to lay the edges. If you like doing that swoop, that baby hair thing, you can't do it. You can't. You won't really like it. I don't think you're gonna like it, at least. I don't think it's gonna do its job holding. And another thing to keep in mind is I was in the house the entire time. Now, if I went out in heat and things like that, it would have curled it up a bit. But for the most part, it stayed in place. It's not an extra hold. It lays it down, but it's flexible. You know what I mean? Like it's soft, so you can see. So it's not caking. It's not flaky either. It isn't flaky. I don't think so. I don't see any flakes. So that is my review. It's a great, soft, flexible hold. It's not a mega hold like it says it's going to be. And I would recommend it for relaxed hair, or if your hair is loosely curled or wavy. If you have coarse hair, tightly coiled hair, and your hair is not relaxed at all, then you're not gonna like this. I would recommend the other two, like this one here, the even 24-hour edge tamer, and as well as the She's Bomb edge control. These do really good. You can even do ponytails with this. I love this product. This one, after like a few layers of using it, you're gonna have to wash your hair, because it does tend to kind of cake up if you stack the application. Like if you're doing it over and over and over and over, it'll get kind of cakey. But other than that, it's Gucci. Okay, it's Gucci. So pattern, I'm not gonna use this really a lot for my hair. I'm gonna use it for my son. Like I braid my son's hair, and I think this would be great when I'm braiding it and making it look neat, making sure there's no flyaways. This would work really good for that. Really good for that. It's still a good product. I just don't think it's good for very coarse hair, or I think it's 4C. I don't really know the curl patterns, but I think it's 4C hair. I wouldn't recommend it for that. But it's okay. It's okay. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave it below. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? And bring a friend, okay? Bye, guys.